Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn to read and spell words that use the letter U to make the sound Let's begin with the sun. Sun is spelled with an S, a U, and an N. And the three sounds are S, N. Switch the S for an R. Now the word is run. Put a D in front of the R and switch the N for an M. We now have four sounds: D, M. And together they make drum. Now switch the D and the R for a G and an L. G is a letter that we haven't met before. It makes the sound G, like in glad and bug. So this word now has four sounds: G, L, M. And the word is glum. Now here's a bus. And we spell the word with a B, a U, and an S. I'm now going to add a T to the end. The sounds now are B, S, T. Together, they make the word bust, like in, you will bust the TV if you throw your shoe at it. Next, switch the B for an M, and the word is must, like in, you must not throw your shoe at the TV. Finally, switch the M for a C and an R. We now have five sounds: K, S, T. And together, they make the word crust, like in, the crust is the best part of the toast. Now here's a duck, and here's the word duck. It has four letters, but only three sounds, because the CK together make only one sound. The sounds are D, K, and the word is duck. Let's now switch the D for a C and an L. The sounds now are K, L, K. What word do they make? You guessed it. It's cluck. Next, switch the C and the L for a T and an R. Our four sounds now are T, K. And the word is truck. What happens if we now switch the C for an N? There are five sounds now: T, N, K. And together they make the word trunk, like in a tree trunk. Finally, switch the T and the R for an S and a K. The sounds now are S, K, N, K. And the word is skunk. Here's a pair of socks. We write socks with five letters: S, O, C, K, and S. But the C and the K together make only one sound. So in this word, we have only four sounds: S, K, S. Let's now switch the S for an F. The sounds now are F, K, S. And together, these sounds make fox. But this isn't how we write the word fox. To do that, we need to take away the CK and S and replace them with a single letter that makes two sounds. It's the letter X. And the two sounds it makes are K, S. So the word fox has 3 letters and 4 sounds. F, A, K, S. Here are some other words that use an X this way. Box, ox, which is a cousin of a cow and is used to pull a cart or a plow. 6, fix, wax, and rex, like in Tyrannosaurus Rex. Now here's a picture. And after you've had a look, I'm going to ask you to read with me the sentence that tells what's going on in the picture. Here goes. A fox drops 6 bugs in a sack of nuts on the back of a dump truck. In the next video, we're going to meet a new sound, A. We find this sound in words like hate, brain, chair, and tray. Bye for now.